Granny, can we go to the park?
Oh, baby, it's hotter than a stovetop out there. Granny's just trying to keep from melting.
Please, it won't be long.
No, baby, it's too hot outside. You see this fan? It's barely working for me. Mm-hmm. Whew, even this sweet tea can only do so much.
But Granny, please! It's just the park. I won't be long, promise. I just want to see everybody before the sun sets.
Mm-hmm.
I can be back before you even finish your...
Sarah, I said no. Ain't nobody trying to melt today.
Granny, I said I want to go to the park.
Who you think you talking to?
Nobody? Okay, I'll just, be over there. Bye, Granny!
These kids done lost their mind.